Go ahead.
So are you saying that you can say Lashon Hara about non-Jews? No.
Yes, yeah. That's halacha. Yes. Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
So in this not only about non-Jews, about people who do not observe Torah mitzvahs. So because it says that you're not allowed to say about your brothers, even though my biological brothers and sisters, but since they cut themselves from the nation of Israel, I did not do it. So you can speak Lashon Hara about them, but Chofetz Chaim and said not so fast, because if you're going to get in habit to talk about non-Jews, right, even wicked one, right, or even wicked Jews, like it's going to become your second nature, and then it's only a matter of time when you're going to start speaking Lashon Hara about kosher people. You understand? Even though it is allowed, we don't do it unless it's for constructive purpose. If it's not like okay, so they go to bars and drink like and marry each other for 1 day. So I mean, it's not. So if I'm going to say that how is it going to change anything? You understand? If it's like for practical example, so I said and Torah teaches otherwise, that I can mention it. It's not it was for constructive purpose, but otherwise, like what we're trying to achieve. You understand? But the main point is not to get used to saying these things about people in general.
Okay. Thank you.
Very good question. Thank you. Oh, you heard it? Okay.